What is up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my vlog. Today is Saturday and I'm just cruising today, guys. No, actually I got some work for you guys. As you can see, I achieved the OEM look on my Celica, which is, you know, the whole package. However, as much as I'm loving the OEM look, I go ahead and I did some DIY modification, which I want to share with you guys. As you can see, before I had the TRD side skirt and stuff. Gotta get a park in this place. Alright, so I actually gotten the OEM TRD skirt and the back for launch and the spoiler and all of that. However, I like radical, you know. I like my thing to be a little more different. So as much as I achieved the OEM look, I went ahead and I did some small modification around the car, which I'll show you. I did some side skirt splitter and at the back and at the front, and I also purchased a splitter lip, which I wrap and I put onto the car also. So I'm going to show you those things, guys. You know, not maybe in detail how I put them on and all of that, but just to show you bits and pieces of it. And then I have another thing that I want to do. Okay, all right, the TRD spoiler that I bought, I'm really digging it. I love it as to the OEM look, but I'm a radical person and I don't know, I just love to be over the edge, you know. And as much as wings and spoiler doesn't really do too much for street car, we know that, yeah. Doesn't do much for street car unless you're really tracking your car. Then, you know, you have a wing on it, this kind of balance, you know, the corners and stuff like that. However, for street car, it's just basically style, and some might call it I have all kind of name for it. However, I like it. So what I'm gonna do today in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be removing my TRD spoiler that I put on, and then I'm gonna go back to putting on my wing, right? My wing that I had, which I had actually fabricated some time ago when I just bought the car. I used to make some makeshift legs for it and all of that. However, this time around I purchased an original wing leg, which I'm going to be installing onto the car. Okay, guys, so I'll be showing you that in a minute. And the next thing is that my rooftop, when I just wrapped the car, when I just finished wrapping the car the other day, I said I wouldn't be changing the forged carbon wrap on top of it because it was pretty good and still looks good. However, for a couple weeks now I realized that it's been burning out. Like our sun, I don't know, it's turn up, yeah man. For the past 2-3 weeks now, I realized that the top has been really burned out. And it's a burned out, I mean really burned out. So I decided to come get a piece of carbon fiber wrap just to wrap the top of it. So I'll be doing those work today, which is wrap the carbon the top and to change the spoiler. Alright guys, so let's get to it. Here's one of the DIY modification I've done, guys. I came home on the evening and decided to just make some side skirt splitter. I really like those from the previous ones I had on the car, so I did these. I'll show you the finished product eventually. Here the next morning, I'm about to remove my bumper to install a lip that I purchased online. Okay guys, so here's it. I'm gonna removing my TRD spoiler to put on back my wing spoiler. Alright. So let's go. So guys, this is bolted down a few places. I'm going to remove those bolts now. There it is guys. There you go guys. This is my TRD wing. It's pretty light. Yeah. Alright. So I'll be doing some marking on the trunk of the car before I make any bore. I shall be measuring my wing, the leg, from 3, and what I did is get the center of my chunk. After getting the center of the chunk, then with the measurement of the spacing between the legs of the wing, then I do that half and half. So I already do my marks already guys, which is 11.5, 11.5. So basically I'm now centered up. Alright. Before I even do anything, I shall just gently, I'll be using a template just to make sure that I'm having everything right. Let's tape this down, do some taping down first. Having done that guys, I lay my tape down and use a template, which is this, so I can, back, front, and I do that. Now I'm gonna, before I bore, I'm gonna be placing the spoiler onto it, just to make sure that, you know, it's all lined up before I make any form of boring. Okay guys. I need one of these guys because mine has been broken for a while now. So I need to get one of these rear wiper. The motor is good, but the wiper is broken off. Alright, so here we go. Alright guys, now for the tooth we told. Alright, so I bored them already with a regular bit, and then I use this just to get it you know, all set and moving. Also I had to bore a bigger hole here so that I have access to bolting up. Also here I bore a bigger hole with this so that I can actually have access to tighten it up, and one more here. That one I won't need to bore out anything. I'll just put my ratchet between there, my spanner, and tighten it like that. So now for the fittings guys. Alright, so you know I can't hold this while I'm alright, I can't hold the camera while I fit, however fits perfectly. Can't let it go because it's not let me see if I can get the camera down. And alright, there you have it guys, all bored up. So right now I just need to get some washers so I can put on the inside, you know, that when I tighten down those nuts, it doesn't fly through. But so far it looks good. I shall be showing you shortly. Just let me get those tapes off, get some washers, and bolt it down, tighten it down, clean up those here that the TRD spoiler was. I'm gonna have to actually cover it with a piece of yeah, I'll wrap it over just to have those holes covered up and stuff, you know. But yes guys, this is it. I shall be showing you shortly. Alright guys, so off with the TRD, on with the wing.